In this particular video, I am going to talk about, can India really boycott China? So, after the Galwan Valley clash on June 15 among the two neighboring countries, India and China, anti-China feelings have been awakened among Indian citizens. Though the Indian government hasn't explicitly called for a boycott against Chinese goods, but the public sector companies have been desisting in giving tenders to the Chinese companies. Like in 2016, the railways had cancelled giving a project to the Chinese companies. Also, the Indian government has been asking e-commerce websites to display the country of origin of their website. So the bilateral trade among the two countries was already down by 15% since 2018 and could take a further hit as India mulls extra tariffs and anti-dumping strategies or anti-dumping duties on Chinese imports. China is the second largest trading partner after US for India, and it accounts for total 12% of trade for India, out of which 70% of the Indian drug needs have been fulfilled by China. So also the booming mobile sector is fulfilled by the cheap mobile phones made by Chinese companies like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi and whatnot. And Chinese have invested in many Indian unicorns, and Chinese have penetrated their money into startups like Zomato, Big Basket, Ola, Paytm in the name of Alibaba and Tencent. This has led Chinese giants deeply penetrated into our socio-economic culture and also technology ecosystem. So they have put over 90 investments in Indian startups, out of which 18 out of 30 Indian unicorns have Chinese investors. So is self-reliance the real answer for this? So as Atmanirbharta or self-reliance as the answer, India's domestic manufacturing sector can replace up to 25% of the total imports coming from China, which can reduce a bill of $8 billion in a single year. Boycotting physical or Chinese apps can be more effective than boycotting physical goods, as there are many alternatives available to the Chinese apps. And also boycotting Chinese goods can affect our trade and economy a long way, as China won't even feel any impact of it, as we are only the smaller partners of China in terms of export. And also on the other hand, the Chinese investments in the past 2 decades have been increased in Indian startups, which is quite beneficial for the booming of technology ecosystem in India. So to be honest, I don't feel that boycotting China can be the answer, because we don't have that technology, or we don't have that trading partners who can provide us such material at this cost.